All right. What do we have here? .3M double-sided tape. Something that isn't bubble wrap. Would you look at that? Carbon fiber side mirror cover. Can you see the weave? Nice looking. Side mirror number 2. And now for the mirror vent. If we can ever get it open. Look at that. Scuffing right there. Hopefully that just comes off. Beautiful carbon fiber. Ready to go on that guy over there. All right, this is hopefully the last look at the unmodified Lexus GS 350. Hopefully it's a little bit stable than the last time I tried to do this. Let's give her a go. All right, we are headed to Littleton's Auto Shop. I think that's the name. See about getting the spoiler installed. Got one about a week ago. It was a little crooked. Got a new one, less crooked. I still think they're gonna have to manhandle it on, but we'll see what they say. So it's just a quick ride up the road to get to Littleton's. My wife has been in this area all her life. She's known the owner of Littleton's. His name is Greg. Probably for 20 years. It's like the magic number. Every time I talk to her, she'd be like, oh yeah, it's such and such. I've known them 20 years. It's like, is that just like a default time frame? Or you just like saying 20 years? The moral of the story is I trust them. They've done a lot of body work for my wife, which she's needed several times. So we just got back from Littleton's. I recorded several minutes talking about it, walking around the car, and then saw that I had been taking still pictures. So every time I started it, I took a picture. Every time I thought I stopped it, I just took another picture. That's 5 minutes of my life I will not be getting back. Well, hello there, kitty boy. He loves him some grass. Somebody is very happy to be outside. Our cats are not outside cats, but we do let them go outside. Only supervised. They stay in the yard. He loves backing that rear up against the car, doing that little shake thing. Let's get a shot. As you can see, got a little bit of sunlight. That's the carbon fiber side mirror cover. If we come around on this side, you can see it in the sunlight. looking beautiful. And then we go around to the back, and the spoiler went on quite perfectly. Looks very nice. Overall, I am pleased with how the black carbon fiber looks on the red car. Who's a good kitty boy? Who's a good kitty boy? Kit likes a new car, and that's what we are going for. His approval means we did good. All right, I think that's gonna wrap up the car mod video for now. Well, that's gonna wrap up the car mod video. I don't think we're gonna be putting any more mods on the car. We may feature the car in future vlogs. She looks pretty in the sunlight, and that's what we were going for. So we got this done at Littleton's Paint and Body Shop. Somebody my wife has known for a long time. They do great work. They've done body work for us in the past. Always reasonable. They charged me $20, to install the side mirror covers and the spoiler. With that said, we're going to end today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.